dark Moody Blues action to edit this image. So the first thing we're going to do is click add those blues. And of course you can remove this off of any areas you want to, but I'm good with that. The next we're going to do is bring in those yellows. Again, this effect can be removed from certain areas, but I like how it is. The next one is going to be our matte finish. And this one I am going to turn down just a bit. We're going to add in the black mist. So this one we apply with a large white brush to the areas we want it to affect. Oops. There we go. And then if you don't want it in a certain area, you get a black brush and remove it. So you kind of play with that and see where you want that black mist to come in at. Again, you can raise and lower the opacity to raise or lower the intensity. So I'm happy with that. And the final thing we're going to do, I'm going to flatten this really quick. And I'm going to hit the make it bold action. And again, you can raise or lower the opacity to your desired strength, and I like it there. So I'll show you guys kind of where we started here. So this was before we applied our dark Moody blues, and then this is after. So hopefully this is something you guys like, and if you'd like to purchase it, it is available in the store.